friends, Kathleen here. I've done quite a few breakfasty foods here on the channel, and I even have the playlist called Brunch O'Clock. But what I've neglected to tell you guys is exactly what brunch is, where it originated from, and most importantly, you need to know that second breakfast is really a thing. I'm also going to share with you one of my easy go-to brunch recipes called shakshuka, a North African dish that's sure to impress. Let's get into it. This is Sweetly Savory. Brunch is the charming social hour, a fusion between lunch and breakfast. First used in the late 19th century in England, it made its way across the pond to the United States around the 1930s, with a traditional English breakfast comprising of eggs, toast, meat like bacon or sausage, baked beans, and tomatoes. The American brunch is most well known for the Eggs Benedict. Sources are a little hazy on the origin story of Eggs Benedict. Delmonico's in Lower Manhattan claimed to have created the recipe in 1860, later published in 1894 by one of their head chefs, Charles Fraunhofer. However, it could have been made indirectly by a New York Times journalist, uncle's friend, who made the recipe by way of Fraunhofer's, except this version consisted of hard-boiled eggs and ham being added into the hollandaise sauce. No thank you, I'll keep my silky smooth hollandaise sauce. I love Eggs Benedict as much as the next person, but one dish I've really gotten into lately is called shakshuka. It's a North African dish that's eggs poached in tomato sauce spiced with cumin, paprika, and cayenne. Now, before you say poached eggs, that's why I get Eggs Benedict at a restaurant. The preparation method for these poached eggs is far from a boiling pot of water. Dice up half an onion and spread it down with some peppers, then adding garlic. Remember to only cook the garlic for about 30 seconds. It burns super quickly. Toss in the spices so the flavors can bloom and aromatics are added to your cooking oil. This will infuse your whole meal. Go ahead and add the canned tomatoes and cook for about another 5 minutes over medium heat, stirring every so often. Make little wells in your sauce and crack 4 eggs. Turn down the pan to about lowish and cover with a lid, cooking the eggs until the whites are set. There are starters or sauces that you can substitute, and I'll link those down below along with my full recipe for the homemade version. Now, what is second breakfast? It isn't just a meme of Pippin and Mary. This meal in between meals is popular in countries like Germany, Czech Republic, and Spain, and it can be as simple as a cup of coffee and a pastry. Or for farmers in rural areas, their first breakfast would be something to get them started in the morning before their first set of chores, and then after their first set of chores would be the second breakfast, the heartier meal. These traditions most likely influenced Tolkien's reference of second breakfast in the Fellowship of the Ring. Pippin, of course, explains to Aragorn that hobbits can have up to 6 meals a day: 11 seas, luncheon, afternoon tea, dinner, and then supper. If you think about a midday snack like yogurt or tea and then a bedtime snack after dinner, you're kind of eating like a hobbit. Wait, am I a hobbit? Make sure to check out the full recipe for my shakshuka linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and consider subscribing. Ring that notification bell because I put out new videos every Tuesday. And in the meantime, I've got you covered with the Brunch O'Clock playlist along with the latest Sweetly Savory video. I'll see you next time here on Sweetly Savory.